Sooqr keeps track of your queries without results. This information is crucial to optimize your search and boost your conversion. You can easily keep track of your queries without results in the Optimization and Analytics dashboard within My Sooqr. For a full list, click More Queries Without Results. You can also go to Analytics, Queries Without Results. You'll now see a clear overview of top queries without results and the query count of these. Select a date range to set the overall statistics to the specified date. You can also highlight a specific day with your mouse to see the amount of queries for that day. Checking this report on a regular basis is crucial, as it tells you what queries your visitors are typing in but are not finding any results for. And products that cannot be found will not be sold. Add these no result queries as synonyms to ensure your customers find what they're looking for. This report can also give you ideas for new products you should take up as your visitors are looking for them.